Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Ali Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher in mathematics, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 9. So let's start. Today's lecture number is 6 and you have a homework. Your homework number is 5. Today's topic is exercise 3.2, 4, 6 and 7. That means 3 questions we will solve today. So have a look at these 3 questions. I have written down already on the board. Question number 4 at first we will solve. Okay. Question number 4 is if a cube minus b cube is equal to 513 and a minus b is equal to 3, then what is the value of ab? This means that we need to find out the value of ab. So this kind of problem we will write down at first the given information. So you should write down given that the two informations are given here, a cube minus b cube, that's equal to 513, and also given here is a minus b, which is equal to 3. Now we need to find out the value of ab, and we have the cubes here. That means that we should use the cube formula. The cube formula is need to use a minus b whole cube because here is minus sign. So a minus b whole cube, we can write down we know. Also we can write down we know. Then we can write down the formula. We know a minus b whole cube, that is equal to a cube minus b cube minus thrice ab into a minus b. This is our second formula in this exercise. Now we have the value of a minus b. We also have the value of a cube minus b cube. We also have the value of a minus b, but we need to find out the value of ab only. So this term minus thrice ab turn into the left side, and this value we should turn into the right side. Then what will be our equation then? We are going to transfer this minus thrice ab in the left side. It will be taken as plus sign. So thrice ab into a minus b, that is equal to a cube minus b cube remain unchanged in the right side, and we are going to transfer this left hand side a minus b whole cube in the right side. So a minus b whole cube has plus sign and before, it will be taken as minus sign a minus b whole cube. Now we are going to put the value of a minus b and a cube minus b cube because we have these values here. So put it down, it's 3ab into a minus b. The value of a minus b is 3. So multiply by 3, that is equal to a cube minus b cube. The value of a cube minus b cube is 513. So it's 513 minus it's a minus b whole cube. The value of a minus b is 3. So write it down 3, then cube. Nothing else. Now multiply this 3 and 3. 3 3s are 9. AB in the left side we have. In the right side we have 513. 513 minus 3 cube means 27. 3 cube means 3 is multiplied 3 times to each other. It is 27. It's a very simple subtraction. Subtract it. It's 9. AB remain unchanged. Now 513 is 513 minus 27. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's 6. Then it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's 8. Then 4. It will be 486. 486. Now, the students, we need to omit this left hand side 9. That's why we can divide both sides by 9, or we can transfer this 9 into the right side also. If we transfer, it was multiplied with AB, it will be divided with 486 by 9. Therefore, the value of AB will be division of these two. That means I am going to use the calculator is 486 divided by 9, that's equal to 54. It will be 54. So the value of AB is 54. We have got it. This is our required answer. I hope you have understood this solution, dear students. Now I am going to solve the next question, number 6. Question number 6 is if a is equal to 15, what is the value of 8a cube plus 60a squared plus 150a plus 130? We need to find out the value of that one. Okay, with the help of the value of a equal to 15. Now write it down. We should solve this one directly by the using of the formula. We need to create the formula. First of all, write down the given information, given that it's a is equal to 15, which is given here for question number 6. Now we need to find out this value. We can put the value of a here directly and we can find out the result, but then the calculation will be complicated. We are going to create the formula with that expression. You can write down the expression is, the expression is 8a cube plus 60a squared plus 150a plus 130. Now if you put the value of a here, we will also find out the value of this expression, but I am going to create a formula. Which formula? We have the cube here, so we can make 8a cube as a cube as like 2a whole cube, because 2 cube means 8, a cube means a cube. So we will get back 8a cube if we give the whole cube on 2a cube. Okay, like this way. This is our a now. Okay, now break this 60a squared as thrice a squared b, because a cube plus thrice a squared b 3, then a squared means 2a whole square, it's 2a whole square, thrice a, then we b. What is the b? Now what is the value of here? Here is 60a squared. Now we have write down what? We have write down 3 into 2 squared, 2a whole squared. So 2 squared means how much? 2 squared means 4, and we have 3 here with multiply to each other. That means we have write down already 12, and also we write down a squared. A squared is already done here. Now we have write down 12. Now how can we write down what can be the number multiplied with 12 to make 60? That means we need to divide 60 by 12. So 12 5s are 60. This means that here will be 5 multiplied with 12. Then we will get back 60. So this one is 3 multiply 2 square means 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 5s are 60, and a square we have. And we have created here 3a squared b. Look, my dear students, this is our a. So this I have made as a. 3a squared, then b is our 5. Now we have chosen, and we have correctly chosen b as 5. So our a is twice a and our b is 5. Now break this 150a as 3ab squared. So it's 3a means twice a, b squared means 5 squared. Now look at this value. Is it equal to 150a or not? It's 3 multiply 2 is 6. 6 multiply 5 square. 5 square means 5 multiply 5. 5 5 is 25. So 25 multiply 6 is equal to 150, and a we have. So 150a we get back by the multiplication of this 3. Plus sign 130 we have, but we need b cube, because a cube plus thrice a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube we need to create the formula. So b cube is 5 cube, nothing else. Now 5 cube equal to how much? 5 cube means 5 is multiplied 3 times to each other. This 5 multiple 5 multiple 5. But 5 multiple 5 is 25. 25 multiple 5 is 150. Sorry, it's 125. 25 and 5 means we multiply 25 with 5, we will get 125. But we had 130, but we have write down only 125. So we need to add 5 with this, then we will get back 130. I hope you have understood how to break it down. Now we can write down the formula of a plus b whole cube, because this is our a, this is our b, and a cube plus thrice a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. Up to this one we can write down the formula of a plus b whole cube. Then plus 5 we will add is nothing else. Now in this expression we can put the value of a. It was complicated, but it is very easy now. So 2 multiple a means 15. 15 plus 5 whole cube plus 5. Now 2 multiple 15 is equal to 30 plus this 5 whole cube plus 5. So 30 plus 5 is 35 whole cube plus 5. Now 35 whole cube, this means that 35 is multiplied 3 times to each other. So 35 multiple 35 is equal to 42875. It's 42875 plus this 5. Now add this 5 with the big number is 42,880, which is our solution, which is our result of this expression. I hope, dear students, you have understood how to solve. If we put the value of a 15 here in this expression, the result will be same, but it will be very complicated. That is why we will use the formula. It will be easier to us. Now question number 7 we will solve. Question number 7 is, if a plus b is equal to m, a squared plus b squared is equal to n, and a cube plus b cube equal to p cube, show that m cube plus twice p cube is equal to thrice mn. So this kind of problem, we need to write down the given information, then we will take the left hand side, then we will get the right hand side by the calculation. So solve it. Its question number is 7. First of all, it's given that these three informations, it's a plus b is equal to m, a squared plus b squared is equal to n, and a cube plus b cube, that's equal to p cube. On the left hand side is equal to m cube plus 2p cube. This one equal to, this sort of problem we can solve in many ways. I am going to solve this in the easiest way. Now what is the value of m? We need to put this value is a plus b, the value of m cube, so a plus b whole cube, plus 2 p cube. What is the value of p cube? P cube means a cube plus b cube, so 2 is multiplied with a cube plus b cube. We will break now any formula. We can write down this formula, a plus b whole cube, or we can write down a cube plus b cube formula. Anyone we need to convert. So I am going to convert this one. Is a plus b whole cube means a cube plus thrice a squared b plus thrice a b squared plus b cube. This is the formula of a plus b whole cube. And now plus sign, 2 is multiplied with a cube and also b cube. So 2a cube plus 2b cube it will be. It's 2a cube plus twice b cube. It's a very simple calculation, my dear students. Now we'll add this a cube with this a cube. It's a cube plus twice a cube. So it will be 3a cube. It's thrice a cube. Now plus thrice a squared b remain unchanged, plus thrice a b squared remain unchanged, and now b cube we have another 2b cube. So it will be plus thrice b cube. Now you can take 3 as common from all the terms. If we take 3 as common, we need the 3 in the right side. That is why I am going to take 3 as common, not only others, not the others. I am going to only take 3 as commons. It will be now a cube plus a squared b plus ab squared plus b cube. Now in the right side we need also m and n. That is why we will take from these two terms we can take a squared, and from these two terms we can take b squared as common. So if we take as common, it will be what? I am taking second bracket in the place of first bracket because I am going to take common from the first two terms. It's a squared we can take as common, then it will be a in the first term and remaining, and from the second term it will be b in the remaining. Plus we can take b squared as common from the third and fourth term. It will be a from the third and it will be b from the fourth. Second bracket close. Now 3 multiple with a plus b, we can take a plus b as common, a plus b, and we will have a squared plus b squared. So this is our right hand side, isn't it? Because a plus b is equal to what? A plus b equal to m, and a squared plus b squared equal to n. So put this value, it's 3m and n, which is our right hand side. That's equal to right hand side. You can write down therefore left hand side, that's equal to right hand side showed. So my dear students, this kind of problem we can solve like this way. And first of all, what should we do? We'll pick up the given information, then take the left hand side and by the calculation we will get back the right hand side inshallah. Now dear students, you have the homework number 5 from your exercise 3.2, question number 5. This question is similar question as question number 6 we have solved in this class. So dear students, see you again inshallah in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.